Hi guys, so this will be the second part of the first video that I posted about the draw and modify command in Autocad. So let's start right away.
TR or the trim. This command is used for trimming, of course, trimming geometry. So if you have unwanted lines, protruding lines, you just have to type TR for trim, double press the enter and click and click. So you have it removed. The protruding lines are removed now. Again, again, TR, double enter, click, click. So that's it. Next, EX. EX is for extend. Extend. If you wish to extend this line here up to here, then you just have to press EX to extend, double press, and then click. So you have it there. Again, I want to trim this down, this protruding line. So I'm gonna type trim TR, double press and click. So I'm done. OP. What is OP? OP, let's see. OP. This command, with this command, you can open options window which contains most of the settings of Autocad. So here, OP. Let's wait for it. There you go. This is the options window, where you can see the settings, most of the settings. Files, display, open save, plot and publish, system, user preferences, drafting, remove limits, and so on. So there you have it. Next is the ST. ST is the command where you can open, this is an command you can open textile window which controls properties of the default AutoCAD text style. Let's see, ST. There you go, the text style. Annotative and standard, the font name, font style, height, so on. Next is the X. X. This command can be used to explode objects like polyline to simple lines, an array or a block to a simple geometry, etc. Again, what I said earlier, polyline are grouped, unlike the lines, the simple lines. So if you wish to explode this, just click, select, type X and enter. So once you click on a portion, see, it's ungrouped already. It's been exploded to several lines. So that's what explode means. Next is the F. F means fillet. This command can be used to add rounded corners right here to the sharp edges of the geometry. These round corners are also called fillets. So let's see, let's make a rectangle first. Okay. If I want to make a fillet right here, then I'm just gonna press, I'll type F, type R for the radius, R, specify flat radius. I want it to be 1. Enter again and select first object, which is here, and second object right here. There I have my fillet. Next is the CJ or chamfers. Chamfer. This command can be used to add slant edges to the sharp corners. These slant edges are also called chamfers. So let's do it. Let's make a rectangle again. CHA for chamfer. What's this again? Distance. D for distance. Specify first chamfer distance. I want it to be 1. Second chamfer distance is 1. Enter. First line and the second line. So there I have my chamfer, my slant edge. Now our next topic for this video tutorial is about keyboard shortcut keys. Keyboard shortcuts or hotkeys are the shortest and quickest way of activating some of the most common AutoCAD operations or commands. In this list, I have included some of the most frequently used and useful keyboard shortcuts. Our first keyboard shortcut is the Ctrl plus N. You can use this shortcut to open a new drawing tab in AutoCAD. So let's try it. Let's press Ctrl N. And there you have the template, the table, where you can choose the template from that you're going to use in the drawing. So let's close it. Back. Next is the Ctrl plus S, the most basic of all the basic keyboard shortcut keys, as we all know. You can use this keyboard shortcut to save a drawing file. So you already know that, or you can just, on this quick access toolbar, you can just click this button here, the save button. The next is the Ctrl plus Shift S. You can use this keyboard shortcut to save the drawing as a new file, or in short, this is shortcut for save as command. The next shortcut key is the Ctrl plus 0. It clears the screen to show only the drawing area and hides palettes and tabs, and you should just press it again to reset default AutoCAD interface. Like for example, the tool palettes is open right here and you want to get rid of it, then you just press Ctrl plus 0 and it's back to the default AutoCAD interface. So, going back, wait, okay, or you can just of course click it right here and its close button. Next is the Ctrl plus 1. You just select an object and press Ctrl plus 1 to open the properties palette, which lists properties of that object, and you can use this palette to modify most of the properties of the object too. Let's say you wanna know the properties of this text here. You just press Ctrl plus 1 and the properties tab will be opened right here. So I mean the properties palette. So you have it there, the properties of this text, color, layer, line type, font size, line weight, and all. Okay, let's close it. The Ctrl plus 2 shortcut key. You can use this to open Design Center palette, which contains many AutoCAD blocks that can be used directly in your drawing. To show this to you, I'm just gonna press Ctrl 2 and there you have this palette here, the Design Center palette. This contains many AutoCAD blocks that can be used directly in your drawing. So again, close it. Our next keyboard shortcut key is Ctrl plus 9. You can use this keyboard shortcut to toggle the visibility of command line. If for some reason your command line is hidden from the drawing area, like for example here, I don't have it on the drawing area because I don't want it blocking the text behind or anything on the drawing area, so I removed it. But just to show it to you, I'm gonna use this to bring it back. I'm gonna use this keyboard shortcut. Control 9. So there we have it back, the command line. This is called the command line, where you can see all the commands you input or you enter. Just as I said, I don't want it blocking the text behind, so I'm just gonna close it again. And yes. Control plus C. Select objects from the drawing area and press Ctrl C to copy the object to the clipboard. There's a difference between the shortcut key Control plus C and the CO, which I said I taught you on the first video, the first part of the video. While on CO command, let's click right here CO or the cut command. You can copy this text anywhere just inside the drawing area. So I'm gonna copy it right here and right here, just inside the drawing area. Delete. The Control plus V, as we all know, this keyboard shortcut can be used to paste the objects to the clipboard in the drawing, keeping their original properties. You can use this keyboard shortcut. So let's copy this to the clipboard and press Control plus V to paste it. There I have it pasted on the drawing area. Next is the Control Z. As we all know, this keyboard shortcut can be used to undo last action in the drawing. You can press this shortcut key multiple times to undo many actions. So if I wanna undo the last action I've made, I'm just gonna press the Control Z. So it's undone. Control Z is gone. And the Control Y, which is the keyboard shortcut to redo the last undo action which I have performed. So I'm just gonna press Control Y and it's redone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. Again, thank you.